Have you ever wondered what is inside your telomerase? These are the tiny structures that hold the key to understanding the cell division and the aging of a cell. Two ends of the chromosome are known as telomeres. It is required for the replication and stability of the chromosome. When telomeres are damaged or removed due to the chromosome breakage, the damaged chromosome's ends can readily fuse with the broken ends of the other chromosome. The term telomeres is derived from the Greek word telos meaning end and meros meaning the part. These telomeres are comprised of repeated sequences and bound by multiple telomeric interacting proteins. In mammalian cells, telomere DNA contains double-stranded tandem repeats of TTAGGG followed by terminal 3'G-rich single-stranded overhangs. They protect the chromosome. They separate one chromosome from one another in a DNA sequence. Without telomeres, the ends of the chromosome would be repaired, leading to chromosome fusion and massive genomic instability. It has been proposed that telomere shortening may be a molecular clock mechanism that counts the number of times a cell has been divided. And when the telomeres are short, cellular senescence occurs. It has been believed that shortened telomeres in mitotic cells may be responsible for some of the changes we'll associate with a normal aging. As we said earlier, telomeres are repetitive DNA sequences located at the ends of our chromosomes. Think of them as protective caps, much like plastic tip at the end of the shoelaces. They prevent our genetic information from becoming damaged during cell division. Each time cell divides, telomeres shorten a little bit. When they become too short, the cells can no longer divide and becomes inactive or dies. This process is a natural part of aging. But why do telomeres matter? Short telomeres are linked to various age-related diseases including cancer and cardiovascular issues. Scientists believe that understanding telomere structure could unlock new treatments and interventions to promote healthy aging. So, what can we do to protect our telomeres? Researchers suggest that a healthy lifestyle rich in antioxidants, regular exercise, and stress management can help to maintain their length. Curious to learn more about your body's hidden secrets? Hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content. Thanks for watching and remember to take care of those telomeres.